What's going on, guys? Hi there, welcome back to another Lightroom Mobile tutorial. Today we're going to create a coffee cafe filter. Here are some before and after edits using this filter. This coffee cafe filter is available for free on our website. Check the link in the description below. Also, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, you know what to do. Fire up your mobile app and let's start editing. Alrighty, so we start on the light page as usual, and we decrease our exposure by minus 0.40. We increase the contrast by plus 40. We decrease the highlights by minus 60. We increase the shadows by plus 40. We increase the whites by plus 14. And we change the blacks to plus 14. Cool. Next, we go over to the curves and just create the dots like we show you on the screen. And we pull up the bottom left point a little bit to create a bit of a faded look. Next, we're going over to the color tab and we change the temperature to plus 15. And we boost the tint to plus 8. The vibrance becomes plus 30 and the saturation becomes minus 9. Next, we're going over to the color mix page, and on the red tab, we decrease the saturation by 31 and then we decrease the luminance to minus 14. Then we go over to the orange tab and we boost the saturation by 21 and the luminance by 15. Next, we're going over to yellow and we decrease the hue by a minus 26. We go over to green and we decrease the hue by minus 50 and the saturation minus 25. Next, we're going over to cyan and the saturation becomes minus 60. And the luminance minus 26. Next, the blue tab, the saturation becomes minus 50 and the luminance becomes minus 27. That's it for the colors. Next, we go over to the FX tab and tap on texture and boost it by 20. And we change the clarity to plus 30. Next, we're going over to split toning, and pay attention because this can be a little tricky. We boost the hue to 64 degrees and the saturation becomes 17 degrees. And that's it. You created your own coffee cafe filter. Here are some before and afters. Looks pretty cool. Cool. That will wrap up things for this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If you did, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and all that good stuff. And make sure you leave your suggestions for filters you would like us to make in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, peace out.